Hi, I'm Paige, the branded content editor at the Everygirl, and this is the living and dining space of my 118-year-old Chicago apartment. My fiance and I wanted this room to feel really personal, but also like a revolving door for friends and family who come to visit. The inspiration came from years of Pinterest boards and a lot of Facebook Marketplace finds. We love pattern, rich color, layered textiles, and pieces that feel like they've lived a life before us. The two pieces that really started it all were the fuchsia anthropology sofa and the leopard ottoman, both of which we found on Facebook Marketplace. Once those were in, everything else had to kind of rise to their level. Almost everything in here has a story. There were only two pieces of furniture we bought new. Everything else was thrifted, marketplaced, or gifted to us from friends and family. If I had to say what reflects us the most here, it's the unapologetic femininity of the space. It's bold, a little dramatic, and completely woven into who we are and how we live. It's really fun for me to settle into the sofa, invite friends over for takeout, look around, and feel really excited about the space I'm in. It's layered, personal, it's always evolving, just like us.